Hi everyone, this is my Weebly page. This is Viviana Lopez. As you can see, this is my home page. So it just kind of welcomes you to the site and explains that this is a portfolio. And then on the next page, it's biography page. And it just says that I'm attending CWI. I've always wanted to be a teacher and I plan on teaching anywhere from 1st to 3rd grade. So that's that page. And then we have the word page with the word assignment. I believe there's only one, the lesson plan. So if you just scroll through here, you can see the lesson plan. Right there. And that's it on this page. And then the Excel page has the Excel assignments. So this is the playground sheet, conference sheet, curriculum breakdown, and then the grades breakdown. Pretty simple on this one. Next one is the PowerPoint assignments. Sorry. It's the PowerPoint assignments and just one, details of a story. You can scroll through here and see my PowerPoint. Next is the web quest. Okay, so as you can see, Zoonal wasn't working for me, so the introduction page would be just like, hello, telling them we're going to be looking and reading words to see if they sound the same. Task page, they'd be working on what words rhyme. And then the process page, step 1, watch the YouTube video. It's this video right here. And then step 2, complete the document down below. Save and email to me, the teacher, right here. And then step 3 would be to email 2 friends in the classroom their idea of what it means when words rhyme. And then the evaluation page, kind of like the rubric, completing the Word document would be 15 points, 5 points each question. And then emailing 2 friends would be 20 points, 10 points for emailing each friend. And the total possible points would be 35. The conclusion page, I said for them to remember rhyming words are words that end in the same sound. And maybe like as a fun little activity they could do, just not being graded, would be to find words that rhyme to create a song or poem, and then they could tell their parents that song or poem. For the teacher page, the grade is 1st grade, subject, ELA or language arts, and the standard is phonological awareness, demonstrate understanding of spoken word syllables and sounds. And then let's see, other Crossing the Technologies assignments, you have my YouTube video, and then that is it. Yep. Thank you for watching. Bye.